Ratings. Let's look at some of the chart types that are available for us in CRM Analytics. I'm logged into CRM Analytics, and in the Analytics Studio, I am inside DTC Sales app. I open my first dashboard, and it's in edit mode. Next, what I'm going to do is I want to add a new chart, and this time I want this chart to be across the width of my page. I'm going to click on chart. We are looking for two attributes. For example, we want the count of rows as well as the amount. Okay, so you have 671 and 764 million. And what we'll do is this time we will group it by, let's say, product family. Okay, I want to change the type of the chart to a column chart. Okay, now as you can see here, while the amounts are in millions, the number of records are in their hundreds. So what we ideally like is have two different axes and be able to track this properly. So what we'll do is while you're still in the query mode or you're looking at the lens, I want you to click on the properties here of the formatting. These are the same properties, widget properties that we saw earlier. But now what we'll do is we'll select this column chart. And instead of a single axis, we'll change it to dual axis. So now as you can see here, the amount is on the right and the number of rows is on the left. So that's one way you can track the dual axis. Okay. And you can decide what you want for your x-axis, y-axis, and so forth. And legend, I'm going to move this legend to the bottom of my chart. Okay. So this is a useful chart. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. So this is great. This is a dual axis chart. Next, what we'll do is drag another chart. And this time I'm looking for a stacked bar chart. I'm going to go ahead and click on chart. The data set is DTC opportunity. Let's change the measure to amount. And I want to organize this by product family and product name, for example. So first, let me get the organizers by product family and then by product name. Because they're related, they have the same relationship similar to how you have countries and states. So I have product names and multiple product families within that. As you can see here, within digital media, you have books, certifications, and courses. Okay, so now this is one representation. What if I want this all to be stacked? Right. So what I can do is I can click on charts and I can change this to be a stacked bar chart. Okay, so as you can see here within the product family, now I can get, I have 5 different product families, and for example, within laptops, I can see a breakdown between laptop light, pro, and so each of the products are broken down, notebook, and so forth. Okay, so this is a stacked bar chart. We are used to seeing stacked bar chart vertically, so this is another representation of the same thing. Okay, we don't need the legend on the right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the legend here. Okay, and of course, as you hover over it, once embedded, you will see that you're still able to find out what attributes these are, what are the different products and families each of these belong to. So this is your stack bar chart. Let me drag one more chart that's of interest to us. So this time we'll create a timeline chart. Again, the measure is amount, and what we want is it's based on the close dates. Okay, so we are interested in close dates, but not necessarily right down to the year, month, day, but specifically the year and the month. Okay, and I'll change the orientation. Okay, so this is the bar chart where the length of the bar represents the amount. What we can do is we can convert this to a line chart, and I can go in here and let's say I want to highlight what each of these points mean. So I can either create chart markers, my x-axis. I can also decide if I want this to be in a logarithmic scale. So once you select that, you will see that it gets adjusted. In this case, it's not relevant. I'm going to skip that. All right. So this is part one of the charts. We'll cover some more charts in the next session. Thank you.